For the last 30 years, if I were to share the biggest success secret that I have experienced in the field of finance, and that is a combination of CA and CFA. Those students who have done CA and CFA together, they have reached great heights because number one, they know all the regulatory and legal aspects and accounting and reporting aspects that has been so important in our country. And number two, they have exposed themselves to capital market as a result of their CFA thing. This combination is deadly. So have many people been able to do it? Yes. And it is not recent. It has been a past phenomenon way back in 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when I meet students and I found where have they gone as a result of this combination. So I am announcing the focus of SSEI into the combination of CA and CFA henceforth. And the first step in this direction is the launch of the CA Foundation batch. We are launching the CA Foundation batch online from the 27th of April. This is going to be a fantastic batch, a batch in which the team which has been chosen is fabulous. They have significant qualifications and experience in the industry, very articulate in terms of teaching, and they are going to teach with a content which is unparalleled. मतलब CA Foundation में क्या आता है, कैसे आता है, how do they ask questions, what is testable, what is most likely to come, how do you comprehensively prepare for the same, and how can you really score very high marks in CA Foundation. वो हमारा focus रहेगा in the CA Foundation batch that is going to start from the 27th of April. I don't know, many of you may not be knowing, बट मैं खुद CA फाउंडेशन में स्टेटिस्टिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स और एक बार एक चैप्टर सब्जेक्ट होता था BC के बिजनेस एंड कमर्शियल नॉलेज पढ़ाया हूँ. तो मेरे को वो सारे मोमेंट्स फिर से याद आ रहे हैं because the faculty that I am choosing for CA Foundation, several of them are a combination of CA and CFA, you know. So you will not get that combination कि भाई CA और CFA आपको CA Foundation पढ़ा रहा है. What more do you want? You will get the exam stuff, you will also get the market stuff. In fact, the pricing that I have thought for a combo of CFA Level 1 and CA Foundation is stupendous. Many people would love to join a combination of CFA Level 1 and CA Foundation. Although I strongly believe that when career building is concerned and these high level certification programs, so pricing is not the main decision criteria. But फिर भी जिनको pricing actually बहुत ज़्यादा focus होता है उनके लिए there's a fabulous pricing for CFA Level 1 and CA Foundation. The CA Foundation batch starts 27th April.